Hello students, it is the time to do the exercise of your NCERT textbook. So all of you just take your NCERT book, go to the chapter 6 political parties, and pause the video for a few seconds until you are opening your book and notebook, and then go to on page number 87, exercise of this chapter political parties. So you have to go on page number 87 and check the questions one by one. Question first, state the various functions political parties perform in a democracy. This question already have done, and you have written the answer of this question, functions of the political parties. Second question also has been done. Third also has been done. Reforms, I have told you that in the last video some reforms that are important to strengthen the parties. Fourth question, definition or define the political party, it is already has been done. Question fifth, characteristics or features of the political party, it has also completed. And now check the question 6th. This is a fill up question. In the last it is a line has underdone, and it means you have to fill a word or group of word. So read the question. Question number 6, a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government is called a. So it is automatically understood that contesting elections and holding power in the government, this system or this group is called political party. So fill in this gap, political party fill करेंगे इसमें. Now the question 7th, match list first organizations and struggles with list second and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. In the 7th question, there are the two lists have given. List first, these are the organizations or political parties, and in the list second, their categories, or you can say their corresponding specialization. So I am reading one by one and you have to match. Congress party, as you know that Congress party is the coalition party of United Progressive Alliance. United Progressive Alliance, C. So match the first with C. Second, Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party, it is the part of National Democratic Alliance. National Democratic Alliance, A. So match the second with A. Now the third, Communist Party of India, Marxist. It is a left front, D. Match the third with T. Now the fourth, Telugu Desam Party. It is understood and common that it is a state party, B. Option B. So match the 4 with B. So now we have found the order CADB. CADB. And this option is found in option C. There are the 4 options have given in this last list, A, B, C, D, and C is the correct, in which the options are CADB. CADB, option C is right. Now coming to the 8th question. The question is, who among the following is the founder of Bahujan Samaj Party? You have to take the founder of Bahujan Samaj Party, and as you know that Mr. Kansi Ram was the founder of Bahujan Samaj Party. So take the option A, Kansi Ram. Option A, Kansi Ram. Now coming to the question number 9. What is the guiding philosophy of the Bharatiya Janata Party? when we have discussed about the Bharatiya Janata Party, then this last option, modernity. Bharatiya Janata Party is the supporter of modern India, and this party want to form the India as a modern country on the basis of its ancient culture and civilization. So option D is right, modernity. Now coming to the question number 10th. Consider the following statements on parties. पार्टीज से रिलेटेड कुछ स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पर लिखे हुए हैं, उनको आपको पढ़ना और बताना है कि ये सही है गलत. नंबर 1 ए, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज डू नॉट एंजॉय मच ट्रस्ट अमंग द पीपल. इट इज़ रॉन्ग. It is wrong. B, parties are often rocked by scandals involving top party leaders. It is right. Option C, parties are not necessary to run government. It is also right. So the correct answer is B and C combining together, option C, in which it is given B and C. So this was the exercise, and you can also write the glossary words of this chapter, and perhaps you have already written. So now this chapter has completed, and if you have any problem and have any question regarding this chapter, so you can call me or you can message me. I am always available for you for solving your problems and giving the answer. Thank you.